Want to change the country, currency, or store region in your Tesla app? As of late 2025, Tesla has made region switching easier than ever. Changing your app region affects the language, units like miles versus kilometers, currency, and access to the Tesla online store. This is especially useful if you've moved countries or are traveling. Here's how to do it. Open the Tesla app, go to Settings, then Account, and finally Region. Select your desired country, confirm, and restart the app. Note that some options may be grayed out depending on your account. In most cases, changing regions no longer requires a full app reinstall. If you run into issues, contact Tesla support for assistance. Keep in mind that changing your Tesla app region can impact your access to features and services. For example, the models available in the Tesla store will depend on your selected region. Some region changes may require account verification, especially when switching to countries with strict data regulations. While the app region change itself does not affect your vehicle's firmware or warranty, physically relocating your vehicle internationally may necessitate re-registration. Be aware that your payment methods and currency will also update with the region, which is important for purchasing accessories or upgrades. According to Tesla's 2024 user survey, most users who change regions do so due to travel or relocation. As Tesla continues its global expansion, expect even more seamless region switching capabilities in the future.